Discover the truth with the home DNA paternity test. Easy, private, and accurate at-home testing. Your kit includes swabs, envelopes, and easy instructions. For best results, avoid eating, drinking, or smoking 30 minutes before sampling. Only water is allowed. Open a swab from the handle end and hold it without touching the cotton tip. Now, it's time to collect the sample. Place the swab against the inside of your cheek, right where it meets your gums. Rub it vigorously with firm pressure for 30 to 60 seconds to collect cheek cells. Use the second swab. Repeat the firm, vigorous rub inside the cheek for another 30 to 60 seconds to ensure maximum DNA. Let used swabs air dry on a clean surface for 5 minutes to avoid contamination. After drying, place swabs in labeled envelopes, seal them, and put all envelopes into the return mailer for the lab.